This is the arcade, which is due to be bulldozed now. Look at it, it's sad. This is sad. There were some cool shops here. This was like an Iceland. I used to shop here quite a bit. Oh, this is sad. It's what was a supermarket. Oh my god. Look at the state of that. I mean, come on. This is absolutely disgusting. The state of this, they've just ripped everything out. It's just horrible. This was a decent supermarket. Why? Why? Just stop it. Just stop it, you greedy developers. Sod off, bulldozers. And stop knocking down supermarkets. For luxury flats. Sod off, bulldozers. Oh my god. I'm going to miss these buildings. Thank god the market here. That's staying. That's iconic anyway. Right, I'm going to be naughty. I'm going to sneak this through. Mess. Mess, mess, mess. Sad.